divided this talk in two parts. I probably I would read it because many of you have been my students and have been in the lab.
And by the way, I can also take a bit of the air and analyze semantic consequences that these guys were being treated with. Okay? We go to the hospitals and actually we validate this.
Good morning. It's a pleasure to talk about my work. And the theme of my presentation is the emergent analysis in pathology and nuclear medicine and the automatic analysis of morphology and function of the human brain.
So, good morning. I'm Paulo Martins, and I belong to the RPC PET team. So, RPC stands for resistive plate chambers, and PET for positive emission tomography. These are the people directly involved in this work, experimental submillimeter resolution and whole body reconstruction.
So the title of my presentation is the role of biomedical engineering in translational research in neuroscience. And so the point I would like to make, you are young and you need engineering problems to solve. And I think one of the main messages I would like to bring is you need focus. You know, you need to find problems that have not been solved before. You know, if you are engineers, you have to solve problems.
Good morning. My name is Margarida and I'm here to present my work about crossover morphology analysis in Alzheimer's disease.
I'm here to present my work in the orthogonal rate imaging, a concept being proposed by our group, and which can provide information to external doing radiotherapy monitoring and to morphological imaging.
Thank you for the presentation. My name is Portuguese. We're talking about on how to extract the 3D structural information of the vascular tree.
Good morning everyone, my name is João Lima. I'm a biomedical engineering student from the University of Coimbra. My presentation is about partial volume correction in PET using probabilistic geometric maps.
As you told, I'm a PhD student at the health science program in the Faculty of Medicine, and I have this project that is a multimodal project where we want to study the brain oscillations in response to ambiguous perception.
The work I'm going to present to you is a follow-up to the work that my colleague Sergio Rodrigues has made. So just to remember, from the OCT volume, we projected a 2D funded image that we segmented using support vector machines, and then we back project that segmentation back to the volume to get the position impact of the 3D vessels.
Quero, de uma forma muito breve, fazer-vos a apresentação do capítulo, dar-vos uma indicação como é que nós nos contextualizamos no seio da I3ES e também quem são as pessoas que compõem e quais as atividades principais que temos.
For the kind introduction, and in particular I'd like to thank the organizers and Russia Minas for the invitation to this nice event. And just to introduce our location, for those who do not know Dresden, it's not the biggest city, it's 500,000 of citizens. It's located very much in the eastern part near Czechoslovakian border, and it's almost in between Berlin and Prague, but we are closer to Prague than to Berlin actually, so it's better.
Good afternoon. My name is Silvia Coelho. I'm a PhD student of the University of Portuguese, Faculty of Engineering, and today I will present my research work entitled Institutionalized Gold nanoparticles for drug release.
So as already said, I'm going to present my work that is entitled Analysis Framework to design set of biological parts for synthetic biology. This presentation is divided into three parts: introduction, results, and conclusions. Just to stress here that I'm going to show two case studies. studies, one for people pastores and another one for people.
Hi, thank you for the introduction. I'm here to present you the work entitled Absorption of Integral Liposome on Rough Polyelectrolyte Multilayers. I'm here to talk to you about these topics: liposomes and applications, biomimetic membranes, study purpose, methods and materials, results and conclusions.
Exactly. Thank you for the nice introduction. Might shift that a little. So I welcome you to the presentation on quality by design by process optimization, a comparison of methodologies. And at first I want to stretch out that I'm from the same group as Rui, and we not only have one startup, we have two startups. One is designing media for media cultures, and the other one is HiPad, one that I belong to, and we offer implementation services and software for the implementation of PAT in biopharma.
So the prevalence of hypertension in people 20 years or older until 2025, in all of the countries there is a rise, and men and women are essentially the same. There is a rise in the rate of hypertension.
I will present a work about design, fabrication and modeling of a cuff method for peripheral stimulation.
Good afternoon. I'm going to talk about a project that we are running in Italy that has as a major goal the development of a corneal microscope to assess in vivo corneal respiratory function based on fluorescence lifetime imaging microscopy of APD, which is a metabolic cofactor.
I'm a member of the team coordinated by Professor Garcia Minas, and I will do a short overview of modeling and simulations for lab-on-a-chip applications, in particular the use of acoustic streaming to promote mixing at microscales.
Thank you for the nice introduction. First of all, I would like to acknowledge the authors and also participated in this work, nomeadamente Professor José Machado Silva, my supervisor. Boa tarde. Visitar um projeto que se baseia no controle de acionamentos protésicos através de sinais de eletroencefalografia.
And I will present our work made on micro and nanotechnologies and biomedical application research team about all solid-state batteries, an overview for